how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. So Roblox Error Code 277 usually persists due to a problem in your internet connection. So in order to fix this, first of all, check your Roblox servers by going to status.roblox.com and make sure that all of these options are operational in users as well as players. If you have made sure that these systems are operational, then go to your settings. Inside settings, go to network and internet and make sure that you have your VPN disabled. If you have your VPN enabled, then you might face this problem while playing Roblox. The next thing to keep in mind is the fast internet. In order to check that your internet speed is pretty fast, go to fast.com, and if you have insufficient speed in order to run Roblox, then make sure to restart your routers or limit the number of connected devices to your internet. The next thing you can do is manage the extensions on Chrome. In order to manage your extensions inside Google, then first of all, go to the three-dot icon right here, go to your extensions option, click on manage extensions, and after that, remove the unnecessary extensions that you have inside your Google Chrome. That might fix the Roblox not working error as well. The next method you can try out is troubleshooting the internet. Simply go to the search bar of the settings right here and type troubleshoot, go to troubleshoot settings, click on other troubleshooters, and make sure that you run the network and internet troubleshooter right here by clicking on the run button. After this, your Roblox error code 277 should likely be fixed. But if that doesn't fix this problem, then go to device manager in order to update your drivers. Now inside device managers, go to network adapters and simply right click on the adapter that you're using, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers, by which Windows will search the best available driver and install it on your device. However, the drivers will automatically be installed at the time of your Windows operating system update. The next measure you can take is go to the search bar and type cmd. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator and type the following command inside command prompt: ipconfig /flushdns. After you do this, this will flush your DNS cache, which will make your network and internet smoother, which might result in the fixing of Roblox error code 277 caused due to internet problems. And the last option that I recommend for you to do is go to app sections right here, go to installed apps, search for Roblox, and right beside the Roblox option right here, if you have the advanced options, then make sure to go to advanced options and repair your Roblox player. If you don't have the advanced options, then make sure that you uninstall the Roblox player and install it back again from either Microsoft Store or your browser. So these were the methods you can try out in order to fix Roblox error code 277. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.